so let's learn how to put our TRX into single handle mode today. You've seen a lot of our videos on the TRX, and we're going to show you how we put TRXs into single handle mode. It's very important to learn how to do single handle mode because there are some exercises that require single handle mode, and you want to be able to have that ability to put them in that position so that you can execute the exercise. So first what we're going to do is we're going to make sure that our TRX straps are even, okay? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab this tab right here, all right? And we're gonna make sure that it's even with the other tab. We're already pretty much even, but if we wanna get a little fine-tuned, we're gonna grab this cam buckle down here, we're gonna pull on it, and then we're gonna either pull the tab up, or we're gonna pull the strap down to make it even, okay? So you're gonna use that cam buckle to help get these TRX straps even, all right? So now we have our straps even, well, almost there. Now we have our straps even, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take those handles and we're gonna name them, okay? So we're gonna label this the fox, the right handle, and we're gonna label this the foxhole, the left handle, okay? Fox handle goes to the left triangle, okay? You see that triangle there? All right, so now, again, we have a fox and a foxhole, right handle, left handle. You're gonna, again, put that right handle fox through the foxhole, okay? And you see we've got that all the way through there. You're gonna have a plumber's mustache, okay? So you're gonna have this little mustache here in this area, and that's how you know you did it right. And to complete it, you're gonna snap that foxhole shut. And that's how you do single-handed mode. Thanks for watching, and keep good company.
That's awesome!